Good day, traders. Today, we will be trading a basic trading strategy on expert option that promises to get positive trades and enhance your trading performance. We have been achieving consistent winnings with an almost 95% chance of success. This might seem like luck, but with our trading method, it's not just fortune at play. It's the efficacy of our XProfit indicator, which we updated and transforming certain algorithm into successful outcomes. We will trade for 1 minute with an additional MACD indicator to help us navigate and filter out alert confusion. We've received a buy alert trading signal for USD CHF. You can navigate directly using their search bar, although switching from the current chart to another can be somewhat challenging. Expert Option is now updating their trading platform. We've identified a trading alert here that suggests an uptrend. However, our MACD indicates a potential downtrend. Let's pause to analyze before we execute our trade. The downward trend halts here, giving way to a reversal indicated by a green candle. It appears to have reached its lowest point. Let's trade now with the expectation of a rising trend. The reversal seems to be taking shape here. We're optimistic about securing a win. Our expert option screen has blacked out. Let's refresh the page. As things stand, we've won our previous trade. We'll wait for confirmation before trading with another currency pair. Now, we have a sell alert confirmation for Euro GBP. It's an opportune moment to trade lower since our MACD has hit its highest resistance level. Another compelling reason to anticipate a downward move. In summary, the outcome is promising. Download the XProfit indicator now and start executing profitable trades on expert option.